Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into a ghost with CapCut effect. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and the first thing we're going to do is we have to click on this effect option. And then here we need to select the body effect. In this body effect, we have to go to the dark category. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the dark option, this one. Okay, and here we can turn ourselves into a ghost. You can select this one, ghost lamp or gravity ghost, and I'm gonna go with this one. We can click on the effect and you can adjust the effect. You can adjust the atmosphere and the range as well, and the color. I'm going to change the color, for example. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, you can adjust the texture and intensity. And after that, we can click on this check mark and we can make this effect align with our video like this. And this is how it looks. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn ourselves into a ghost with CapCut effect. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.